Well, guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a clean and pretty good day trading recap. I was done in just first 5 minutes. So look at this. I was in too early at 12:10, around 12:10 area, and look at that move all the way up to here. I thought I was actually going. I was actually thinking if it's gonna go 12.95, but it didn't really work. But yeah, I added here, hoping for another 12.95 break. Yeah, it didn't work. Took some more off here. I added here, but it's not really breaking. It's making lower lows in 5 minutes, and yeah, I just took everything off. Um, yeah, and because I didn't want to give back, so and see what happened. It held this daily level in here. It's probably now back. Yeah, right. So those are daily levels. This is the gap that I was kind of like watching. Yeah, it worked pretty well. I could have entered somewhere around here, but you know what? I just want to rest. It's been a great week for me. I don't want to give back any of my profit, and then I was, just sitting around and resting and just watching SPY and market. And I was just in my list as well. I have CCL. It was a bit choppy at the open. Imagine if you took long here, it could have stopped. Now it's back. So CCL is a bit choppy most of the times in 1 minute. And look what happened there. And now it's boom. So you could have entered somewhere around this area, and now it's up to the race. Another one I have was the AAL. I think the AAL was a good 1 minute orb as well. Imagine it took long here for a 1285 break. Now you have not 1285, 2585, and now you have in 2659 target, and now it's backed up. Probably want to enter somewhere here. So I'm just like trading levels, VWAP. I don't trade moving averages anymore. So it's been great. It's been really, really good. And yeah, AL was, I really planned it. I really planned how I will trade AL. That's why I was in too early, because at pre-market, if you look at pre-market here, it was just kind of blocking this price 1230 area, and I said if this goes up, then it's gonna be hard, because stock is capped up 12%. If it goes up more, then it's probably gonna hard for me to take it long. So I waited for the sell-off. This was good, and it sell-off was around from here to here, $12, and it held $12. It's a daily candle as well, kind of held. And then I thought if it drops 12, then it's just gonna be a big dump, then I'm gonna short it. But the thing is, it held $12. When I hit $12, I immediately entered the 12.10. There you go. Took some more at 20 and 30, 40, 50, 60, all the way up to 85. And I added somewhere here. Took some more because it's not breaking. 1270 added here, and then all out because it didn't work. So yeah, let's watch my live trade, and let's enjoy. There you go. So market opens. So I was closely looking at 1210 and 12 area. So those are levels that I have. As you can see, there's lots of large orders here. 1222. If it breaks this area, oh my god, it's just gonna go up. So as you can see, it's holding. I was looking at the price here. If it's going up, 1210, 1210, there you go. I entered because the price is just going up and up and up, and now 1210, 1210. Let's look at this number. Come on, there you go. I should have taken because 10% because it's a 10-cent move. Come on, there's large orders here. If this goes above, it's gonna go somewhere here. Took some more off, 10%, another 10%. There you go. Oh my god, 10%. This is probably where I took half, somewhere here. Yep, I took half in there. Wow, it's crazy move. There you go. It's just, whew. Now it's too far from VWAP, so it's kind of being careful, but it's not making 1 minute high. I was actually waiting for 12.95, but when it didn't break, I took majority of my shares here. So I have I don't know, about 10% left. Yes, I have 10% left. So I was actually waiting if it's gonna break 12.50. It held, so I added. It held 12.50, but there's some large orders at 12.50, so I was kind of careful. So I added the 10% in here. So now I'm back to 20% left. And now I didn't like that when it dropped 50. I said maybe I'll get out around this area, 1240 area. Come on. So I was waiting for 1270 break. Come on, 1270. Let's look at the number, 1267, 65. Looking for big orders. Yep, I see big orders here, here, here. So I was really hoping for 1270, and I was closely watching time and sales if it's going green, 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 but I kind of failed. Now it's, yeah, it's a good thing I took some more, took whatever I added here, I took it off. And yeah, so my stop is around 1235, just right at the VWAP. 1250, I was closely watching 1250 again if it's gonna hold, because if it does, I'm gonna add. Oh, I almost got stopped in there. I was like 1 cent away. 1237. But this moved about 13 cents, as you can see here. Right, moved about 13 cents. Let me see if I can add. Come on, if I can add. I was actually really hoping if I can add. Yep, there you go. I added. I was hoping for 1260, 1270 target. So my stop is around 1239 or 1240. So I was closely watching 1240 area. Come on, don't drop. Come on, see big orders. Come on, 1240. Come on, it's just not working. Yeah, so I just decided to get out when it wasn't breaking 1250, because I know if it doesn't break this, it's just gonna go back and drop to VWAP and all the way down here, which I was right. Normally when it makes like that, if it doesn't make a new highs, if it doesn't break this triangle, you see this triangle, it's just gonna go back to 1210 or 1216 area, and if it gets tested, it's gonna go back to VWAP and then up. You know what, if you keep doing this every day, you'll get used to it. I mean, to my experience, that's what's been happening in past few weeks, past few months when I day trade the open. So you have to know where to get out and where to enter. So 1210 is kind of a major price. $12, 1210 is a major price. So if you look at it, it's making low lows, right? Lower, lower, low, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So, you know, if it doesn't break this triangle, then it's probably going to go to 1210. You don't want to take it short unless it consolidates here and then you take it long, right? So if you want to short, you can probably, since it's making lower highs, you probably want to short it here and just risk 1250. Sorry about that. Sorry. So yeah, but yeah, I'm done for the day. Yeah, see, it's being sold 1250 area. Look at this wick. So you don't want to take it long in there. It's kind of breaking this triangle now. Let's see. There's some large orders as well. Probably people are going to take it long in there. I kind of didn't like this week, but yeah, it's hard. It's not breaking 1250 at all. But I'm not sure if it went down here. I can't really remember. But yeah, let's watch what happened around this 945 area. So 945, yeah, right, I was right. So 945 area, it didn't break 1250. Normally if it doesn't break, I told you short it here, right? 1250 area. Oh no, not short it here, risk 1250 area. Yeah, now it's back to 1216, and this is where it consolidated here, right? And now it's back, consolidated again. It's trying, and then this is where you want to take it long, 1240, and then risk 1230 area. As you can see where it is now. Yeah, it's probably gonna go back to 1280 if it breaks 1275, around this area, and maybe to 1295. Yeah, so trading in levels than moving averages is way better in my opinion. Because I mean, moving averages sometimes they're just short terms, and levels are support and resistance. It's pretty basic, right? So yeah, it's kind of a good day. I normally have red days on Wednesdays, but today I had a good day on Wednesday. So it's a pretty good green streak again for the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, green streak, and hoping for another green week. Not week. My English is not that good, so sorry about that. And yeah, if you have any questions or if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe and share this to your friends, and or comment if you have any questions. So we're seeing a lot of new orders. 1270 area, I told you, right? 1270, that's the one I was waiting for. But now the market is almost done. Not done, like so much lunch break, so it's not gonna move a lot. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, have a good day, stay safe, wear a mask, and have a good day. Peace.